Some addresses aren't just postal codes. They are sanctuaries. They are canvases of a life well lived, slowly, intentionally, with love, music, and nature. In this episode, we meet a woman whose home is a reflection of her soul and her story.
I love music and I'm a landscaper and I got recognition enter India and I'm a florist and I'm a philanthropist and I take care of rural education and environmental related things also. I'm a mother of two successful sons, that is Nitin Kamath, Nikhil Kamath, and I'm grandmother of Kian Kamath. I'm Revati Kamath. Welcome to our house. I got this Karnataka Kalashri award, that is something prestigious, and entire Karnataka, 16 people got recognized, and they recognized me for the achievement for Veena, and I need to do lots of achievement, but still it is a blessing from God. This government has given this. This is very prestigious for me as Karnataka Kalashri.
But behind those titles is a quiet force, someone who nurtures life in all its forms.
When I entered this house, before entering itself, then this colony, our colony is full of nature. Lots of trees are there. 400 villas are there here. Lots and lots of greenery is there. So I wanted to bring the decent greenery inside, and the trees, whatever is suitable here, So we plant. Even my sons also had some ideas. And before we entered, this was a coconut garden. I think lots of coconut garden was removed from this place, and I tried to plant it somewhere else also. I want to keep lots of plants in the surrounding, and even my sons also likes lots of plants and greenery, and usually greenery comes good in my hands, and I'm an environmentalist and I know how the greenery impacts on our body and the surrounding and positive energy, how the positive energy emits out of greenery.
In every corner of the Kamath house, nature isn't placed, it's woven. The walls breathe, the light listens, the garden is part of the family.
This is Parijata. Actually, this I have planted when Puneet Rajkumar died. That day I planted, thinking about, I believe in Atmas coming and they stay in the tree. This one about, think about them, and if we do plantation. And this is a very auspicious plants. All of you know that this is Shri Krishna Parijata, that is Krishna Bhagwan ka liye bhi a bahut pyara hai, and very beautiful flowers comes here, the very fragrance. Our family is composite family. It is not individual. I'm not an individual entity here. We come, whatever we decide, we decide together. And when we entered this house, actually, my husband was also alive. And then this was a selection of all of us, and even my daughter-in-law, my sons and all together decided.
Simplicity reflects in every corner of the Kamath house, in the colors, the textures, and the quiet ease of how everything comes together.
From the beginning of this episode, you might have observed, that everywhere we maintain simplicity, simplicity and no harsh and no too much gaudy things and all. You are observing here, I have not kept any artificial things and very artistic the statues and all. This, our walls are very lightweight, and that you are observing this floor, and this floor is called pigment flooring. there is a particular place for my Veena, and that's called Veena Lounge. That was my son's idea to make it. This space is Veena for the Veena. This place is for a family meeting, and this place is for everything was designed by Nitin Kamath.
Like any long lived home, this one holds its share of quiet chapters, some filled with joy, others marked by loss. But through it all, the space remains steady, familiar, and quietly comforting.
This house brought lots of positivity. At the same time, I lost my husband also in this house, and that is a one painful thing. But this consoled me in a way. I feel like that no house also consoles us, and we need to get attached to that. Only then you will feel it.
Remind us that a house isn't just a structure, it's a reflection of who we are and what we value. Because sometimes changing your pata doesn't just change your location, it changes your way of life.